Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is the Rover auction review series again. And today we're going to be talking about this '08 L322 supercharged. This is a .2, if we use my common nomenclature to define the 4.2 supercharged L322 model. And this one is for sale in California. It is going to be a live auction today. It has 6 owners reported, 126,000 miles. It's black on black. It's got some Nitto tires on what looks like to be some LR3 19 inches or 20 inches, I believe. And, you know, it's in normal driver condition, I think that's kind of how you want to purchase something like this. It's again, it seems honest. It doesn't have a check engine light, and again, it'll just be up for sale through a live auction, which I think is the better way to go about doing this, especially because it is in California. So that means you have $1,800 worth of shipping. But older Range Rovers in that market are, for some reason, less desirable out in California than they are here on the East Coast. They're less rusty. And again, the older middle of the road stuff it just doesn't seem to be as attractive there, and they still come up as trade-ins, I guess. Now, this one was obviously owned by someone who knew what the truck was. It's probably is on some type of lifting rods. It has different wheels and some beefy tires on it. So again, these aren't bad things because it looks like, you know, it is in good driving condition. This is not a show car, which is, I think, how you want to buy them. You want to buy one with some miles that, you know, shows signs of use and hasn't been sitting, and, you know, it looks like it's been, you know, used basically and taken care of to a certain degree. The body seems to be in pretty good condition. You know, black paint doesn't hold up that great out in the sunny West Coast, but, you know, you get a little bit of fading on the front headlights, taillights, everything look good. I love a black interior. It's got some tinted windows, so the dash isn't all cracked up and whatnot. And again, the 08 with the black interior to me is the perfect. Again, regardless of exterior color, the interior color looks great. There's no check engine lights. It's running. It has one key. And again, the interiors just don't seem to age as badly when you have the black interior over the white interior. I guess that's what my comparison is coming from. Back seat looks great. You've got a headliner, doesn't look too stained. There's a little bit of saggy in the back. Still has the engine cover on it, so hopefully it wasn't tampered with prior. You can tell it has a little bit of green coolant. Orange coolant. It's not fully in the picture, but you can kind of tell that it wasn't topped off with the green stuff. Also has the oil pan plastic skid plate, which is a good sign because I've almost never see them with those intact. But it's not rusty, at least the undercarriage, even though it's probably moved around through a few different states. A little paint fade on the crease of the hood there above the A-pillar. And yeah, I mean, it seems fine. I mean, this is how you want to see it. And then the problem with that is a dealer going to buy this to resale? I don't think so. You know what I mean? I mean, this could go from anywhere from $3,500 before fees and shipping to $6,000 to $8,000. So, you know, you want to buy the best one you can, and with the low mileage and whatnot, I think this would be a pretty good call for something that you're not looking to flip and you're just looking to drive. You know, it's not like it's a crazy attractive color or anything like that, but it's just middle of the road. Hopefully it'll blend in and someone can scoot up for a good price. Catch you on the next one.